Morning. We're here at my garage workshop. I haven't really felt that great the last couple of days. Not sick, just I don't know. I've just been off. I've been myself. I've been isolated, quiet. It happens sometimes. Yeah, hopefully I can get out of this funk. So today, over the weekend, I'm going to try to do these data plates for a customer, see if they like them or not, which I hope they do. And then I got a mock-up of a hard treasure box with two sides that come out. I got one right here. This is rough, very, very rough. It was scrap wood I just had laying around. Built it in like 20 minutes, but it's going to take longer than that to actually get a good product. So here's a hard box. There's one side that's going to be a bottom in it, obviously. And then this side's going to come out like this. Same thing is going to be a bottom in it. This was just a rough idea. I did, again, like I said, about 20 minutes. We'll make a few more templates out of some MDF, make it a little bit easier. I think I'm going to shorten it down. It's a little tall. But yeah, and then let me see what else. I'm going to finish putting baseboard in the kitchen. I'm going to make my own, so I'll show you that. And then I really don't have that much going on this weekend. No orders or nothing, so now's a good time to order something. You know, cutting boards, charcuterie boards, anything really. It's a good time to order before Christmas. I always don't have time to get it done. I am a one-man show, so I work a full-time job currently. But yeah, if you're in the market for Christmas gifts, send me a message on Facebook, or you can text me or whatever if you got my number, or you can email me dhblasering@gmail.com. You can email me, send me a picture of what you're thinking about, whatever, and get you a price. I'm good priced, really am. I haven't got a website up yet, really. I got like a website, but I gotta find time to make some inventory and stock and stuff so I can actually post it on there and actually sell it and make it easier for everybody. I'm still working on that. I just gotta find time. And then, yeah, really not too much going on, like I said. I'm gonna try to do some 3D metal engraving on some scrap metal I got to see if I can do like challenge coins or whatever. And then I'm gonna get some metal for these remembrance bracelets. I can start making those. But yeah, just thought I'll check in. Haven't posted in about a week or whatever. Like I said, I've been off. Hopefully I can get out of it. I didn't think just overworked myself the last month. I think it all caught up with me. So we'll get back into it. Not a big deal. Yeah, I'll post what I'm doing. Keep you guys updated. Other than that, y'all have a good morning. I know it's early. It's like 5 o'clock. But early bird gets the worm. Alright. We'll check back in.